Welcome back. Turns out this mini blind test was an absolute hit while we waited for these bad boys right here. The HMX Egg Yolk. We hit 1,000 views on that video and it has officially outperformed my last 10 videos for its age at the 2-day mark. We had record amounts of participation this time, actually accumulating more votes than any of the HMX Avengers rounds, including the grand finale, which only had 128 active voters. Once again, the 60% of you that have extremely keen ears and the exact same clack preferences all voted with your ears. Despite having 3 random HMX switches to choose from, 61% overwhelmingly picked HMX 3 to be the winner. Let's have a listen. All 3 of these were very close in sound, particularly in the alphas. Some comments indicated that HMX01 sounded a little bit thinner, and almost 1 in 4 of you chose number 2 over number 3, and what really came down to the battle of the spacebars. Here's the breakdown. HMX01 is the OG HMX Zin highs. It's the one that started it all, the one that put Unikeys on the map. Still a great switch and holds its own in 2026. Throw in a yogurt spacebar and it would do just fine. HMX2 was actually one of my favorites from the Elite 8, the Electric Wave. Electric Wave got knocked out first round of the tournament. It also got knocked out here. But 1 in 4 of you still chose it. HMX03 was much too strong. It goes without saying, as most of you already guessed and voted for, HMX03 is indeed my Just Buy 'em switch, the S tier Yogurt S. It just goes to show that this Just Buy 'em switch completely overpowered and killed the other competition, even in a completely blind testing environment. The Yogurt S continues to dominate sales. I checked with DY, and we don't have any easy way to track the exact number of Yogurt S units sold directly through my affiliate links and coupons. But since that Just Buy video dropped, followed by the All Place Yogurt S video, there have been 230 affiliate orders coming from this channel. I'm sure at least half, if not more, of those orders had Yogurt S in them. If you figure it's a minimum of 115 orders multiplied by at least 70 switches per build, we're looking at over 8,000 Yogurt S's sold since that video dropped. And honestly, it's likely closer to 10,000 plus switches sold so far. Thank you so much for the love and support and for trusting my takes on these switches and just buying them. The switch has been universally praised across the community. Even Alex loves them. He pushes them on his stream. Keep Taro liked them. And many of you have commented that you love them and have built them inside your own Core Plus boards. If you stuck around this long, just smash that like button. Just go ahead and just buy them. The HMX Egg Yolk with the dual material bottom is just as good as the Yogurt S.
Here comes a new challenger.
Be sure to hit subscribe to catch my full review of these bad boys coming soon.
Shut up and take my money!